So here I am with my little car in the middle of Great Torrington, of all places. And I'm probably going to head over that way shortly. In fact, I don't know, I'm not very familiar with this area at all. And I'm going to find some very vintagey equipment. And I don't know what I'll be able to film. Maybe none of it, maybe. But I'll maybe film whatever I pick up. May be decent, it may be wrong. What a lovely gorgeous day this is. Frosty start, but the sun is out. And yeah, some beautiful views. As I say, I'm going to pick up a load of equipment. Probably just CRTs and see if I can get them all in the back of that car. Chances are slim, but there's all sorts there. Printers and bits and computers from yesteryear. Sort of things I look out for. So, let's see how it goes. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 small base CRT monitors. This is a little bit bigger, I think. So, I've missed out on the bigger monitors, but this is good. Alright, I'm just adding some voiceover on this. CRT one, that was a 17-inch Samsung or something like that. Bad. Yeah, there we go. And there's a few more of this Samron, whatever it's called. And there's another, it's a Fujitsu, that one. Smaller, a little bit smaller, that one. 15-inch probably, that one. So it's between 17 and 15. Was this 17? Model number, you can normally tell with the numbers, it normally goes 1715. I'm looking at the plug end there just for a pin to see if all the pins are straight. That's one thing that used to be a problem with monitors, is the pins would bend. Samton, I can't pronounce it. And this one, okay, a few marks around it I need to sort out. Hopefully I can sort them out, but this dial being black, yeah, that's special. A little bit special because the CD-TV for Commodore Amiga is black. And it's nice to match it up with something like this, because getting the official monitor costs a lot of money. Look at that, 2002, I remember it well. So I've still got to test all these monitors, but I'm quite happy with that pickup. So subscribe, like, and more videos soon. Thank you very much.